collection technique that I like to use for flowers that have tall umbels. Think parsley, dill, fennel, cilantro, even Queen Anne's lace, larkspur. This is a good technique to use for that as well. You can take a paper bag to help you with seed collection, pop it right over the tops of those umbels, break them away from the plant, then just hold this bag and give it a good shake. Open that bag up, we pull out the umbels, and we are left with a beautiful collection of clean seed that are free of trash, and we don't have to do a lot of separation. Once you've harvested those teeny tiny seed, they are free from trash mostly, but we've got some really small things in there that we could clean out. So I'm going to show you a handy little trick. I'm using styrofoam plates right now. Styrofoam works great because it has a static cling. You could also use sheets of paper, but gently just use gravity to shake your seeds down that plate onto the second sheet. And you can see all the trash that was left behind here on the first one. I'm going to clean that off. And I'm just going to keep doing this back and forth until we're left with the cleanest seed collection possible. So, look, super, super clean.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.